Hi, Bazalabam. So welcome to Life with Maka Jane. I am Umaka Jane. On this channel, we are unpacking the trending topics. Guys, this topic is not trending, but I think it's worth talking about. So I'll be talking about Umpumelelo Mselegu. So we know that Umpumelelo Mselegu uqeda ukuhlukana nomama we-firstborn yakhe, which is uVuyokazi, umama kaMhlophekazi. So uMpumelelo noVuyokazi, God bless them with 2 kids, umfana, intombazana nomfana. And it's so sad because a lot of people bebafuna uMpumelelo ashade uVuyokazi because of indlela uVuyokazi aziphatha ngayo nendlela uVuyokazi angayo. Nami I feel as if uVuyokazi noMpumelelo, if bashadile, uMpumelelo should have gained someone or right, yabo, onesimilo esi-right. I'm not saying uTerelo akanasimilo, but mawubona i-character kaTerelo, you can see that uTerelo isithemba Nyakazi asikhona because uzaba yenza lo nhluphunhluvalo akayenza kuVuyokazi noMpumelelo. But yeah, guys, today uMacele will be talking insizogcila kuMacele. Today Macele posted beautiful photo, guys. Mina, even on my other channel, please subscribe to the channel I'm in, which is Umkosi noMakajeni. I used to say, and I'm still saying even today, I don't see anything wrong with Macele because Macele is Monenga one. They hate Macele is because a lot of people, they love Uvuyokazi and they think Uvuyokazi uhlukana noMpumelelo because of Macele. Ngibe ngisho ngithi, you know, Uvuyokazi noMpumelelo bahlukana because uMpumelelo akakwazi ukuchoose uVuyokazi or akafuni ukwenza uVuyokazi number 1 empilweni yakhe. So we've never heard Macele athi no, mina ngifuna ukuba number 1 or what so forth. You understand? So Macele today kule photo I posted, guys, I'll post screenshots sakhona on Instagram. Someone asked ukuthi uthe nkosikazi kaSibindi or uthe Masibindi, something like that, saying nje ukuthi wena umuntu kaMpumelelo, we know uMpumelelo igama lakhe or nickname yakhe uSibindi. Then umama lo usisi lo akacele wathi no, I'm no longer there. So that means uMpumelelo uluze abantu abayi-2 whom we think thina bebazoba right for impilo yakhe and for a future yakhe, nje since kumuntu ofuna isithembu. uVuyokazi, you know, dumped uMpumelelo on national TV. And it seems like bahlukene this year because izingane zezithembu zishootwa this year, and there are allegations that uVuyokazi has also moved on naloya chef wakhe. And then now it's uMacele. That means ukusele bani uTerelo I1. Someone asked uMacele futhi ukuthi, have you met uVuyokazi? And she said yes. And omunye wambuza, have you met uTerelo? Wathi no. So kusho ukuthi uMpumelelo yabona isithembu sakhe bekasihlela kahle. Hey guys, we don't know ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. All we are praying for ukuthi uMpumelelo akhule mentally and ayenza ama-decision right, man. But I feel as if uMpumelelo akayenza ama-decision right. He's just young, and I think le nto yesithembu as uMacele ake washo uMusamsele kubagcina kakhulu ngesithembu these boys, and they are still young. Ngabe yabayeka nje baphila impilo yabo bayenza ama-mistake wabo, then eventually bazasithatha isithembu, because I still believe that isithembu siphiwa abakini. Akekho nje umuntu ongavela athi ngifuna isithembu siphumelele. So in order for isithembu sakho sibe strong, sikhulu, it's a blessing. Isithembu sesifana nomshado, it's a blessing because umshado ohluke kakhulu, and ukuthi wakho ube muhle, ukhulu, ube right, it's a blessing, guys. Let's just be honest. So Bazalabam, so please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nobuya.